Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, Mason, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour are expected. Where? Much of central Illinois. When? From 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, resulting in a few power outages. Driving may become difficult, particularly on east-west oriented roads such as Interstate 74 and Interstate 72. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Here is a special weather statement. Elevated fire danger this afternoon. Humidity values of 25% or less are expected in much of central Illinois this afternoon, as southwest winds gust over 30 miles per hour at times. With the dry vegetation, any fires that get going can spread quickly. Outdoor burning is not recommended, and extra caution should be used in harvest activities. Saturday will have a higher fire danger due to stronger winds, especially east of the Illinois River. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXJ71 listening area, a wind advisory has been issued from 11 a.m. Saturday until 7 p.m. Saturday for the following counties: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, Mason, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. The current time is 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here is the regional forecast summary.